What's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of Dogecoin. What's the current price of Dogecoin? What's the price change occurring in the Dogecoin? Absolutely, my friends. As you know, at this time, every cryptocurrencies, every coin falls down, my friends. Dumps and dumps occurs in every cryptocurrencies market, my friends. What's the reason behind that, and when will they start again jump? Let me show you, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please, first of all, please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, because ABS Tech channel give you updates which is very important for all of you. So friends, first of all, we look the latest update. You can see now that we talk about the latest price of the Dogecoin at this time in the market, 0.297963 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Dogecoin in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Dogecoin, so absolutely, my friends, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is also negative. Only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, except after the last 1 hour the price is very badly dumps in the market, my friends. So what's the reason behind it and why the price is falls down? The reason is that it is the end of month and every cryptocurrencies want to invest in new coins, especially this time the cash is a trending coin, so people want to invest in a cash. That is why people decide to sell Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies which are falling at this time, my friends. Let me show you, friends, the price chart. What's going on, my friends? Now, my friends, as you can see here, in the whole month, the price of the Dogecoin is very badly dumps. That is, you can see here in this time in the whole month, the price is very badly dumps due to people want to invest in a new coin, and especially, my friend, at this time, in the end of month, especially in the end of month, the short-term investor going to sell. That is why the price is faster, my friends. And now the question is that when will they start jumping again, my friends? So in the start of June, people want to invest in new coin, so maybe Dogecoin is also a new coin. People want to invest Dogecoin. Some people want to invest in a Dogecoin, some people want to invest Dogecoin holders want to invest in a Shiba Kesho, and same like that people exchange the cryptocurrencies. So in the start of June, maybe there's a chance to they take a jump, my friends. That is my personal suggestion. We can't say about the future, but that's only my personal suggestion, my friends. So how do you feel today about Dogecoin? Please tell me in the comment box. And personally, I'm feeling very happy because I know the future of Dogecoin is bright. Elon Musk promoted Dogecoin, so that is why I'm feeling very satisfied about Dogecoin, my friends. And the start of June, they will take a huge bump. Don't worry about that, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.